Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps now. Sign into the Google account you want associated with Play Console. Once signed in, enable two-step verification for security. Make payment ready, a credit or debit card, and $25 one-time fee. Enter your legal name or business name accurately because this appears on your developer profile. Once done, open the Play Console registration page and choose the account type. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts to proceed without delay. Next, you complete the detailed registration fields. Fill developer name, contact email, and phone number. These are customer-facing, so be precise. Provide tax and banking details for payouts. This is why your identity must match legal documents. If Google requests verification, upload a clear photo ID and a utility or business document. Once you submit, expect processing time. Make sure to monitor the email used for registration for confirmation or further requests to avoid surprises. Finally, you accept the developer distribution agreement and configure Play Console settings. Set up team permissions, link payment profiles, and create your public developer profile so users see accurate contact info. After acceptance, Google activates the account. Once active, you can upload apps, set pricing, and configure testing tracks. If something goes wrong, first check the verification email and spam folder, then clear browser cache and retry. If still blocked, submit a help request. Keep screenshots and your payment receipt handy for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.